So after tearing this breaker apart, I found that what makes it trip is this arm right here pulls towards this coil. And as it pulls towards that coil, it'll trip. So if you watch, I'm going to trip it now. Use my finger. Yeah, here, let me see if I can get in there with this so you can see. Okay. See how easy that tripped? So with that in mind, this breaker normally sits in the box that way. Gravity is pulling it down, which wants to trip it. If you look at it, I got the mechanism here. There we go, there's a focus. So it goes just like you see it. Top is the top, bottom is the bottom, and you see a little pin in the middle. That's what the catch catches on. This copper colored piece is the only spring that holds tension. There's the focus. This is what keeps it from tripping. This little, thin little piece of spring steel. So that holds that thing in the locked position. Focus. And the magnet then pulls it out and trips it. So as you can see in this one, it's super sensitive, and what I'm wondering is, because this side is down in our combiner box, this is the bottom, this is the top, and you know, it mounts, literally mounts just like that in our combiner box. So with that in mind, gravity is actually pulling this thing down. And I'm wondering if, I mean, you see how easy that moves. I'm just touching it. I mean, literally just barely touching it. There's just no resistance at all. I'm wondering if, you know, gravity and vibration doesn't let that thing sag down and trip it. So here's my question. What if we put the breakers in upside down? Or in the case of the N-phase combiner, they're in sideways. I think it's going to be a lot more tolerant than our normal combiners where the breaker mounts this way. See if I can get back out. Yeah, so normally our breakers mount this way in a normal combiner. In the N-phase combiner, they're mounting this way, horizontal. I think that's going to make them a ton more tolerant right there. But I'm also wondering, in our regular combiners, what if we mount them this way? I know it probably isn't right. I know we'd probably get dinged by the inspector, but I bet you money that would eliminate the false trips. I may have Jim's customer try that, turn him over and try that, just for the fun of it.